Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we're always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys and what does it all mean for us? Let me explain. So basically Bitcoin finally got rejected from the resistance level at 67,000 by this moment, and this moment is approximately 3.5%. And for example, if we switch to the daily time frame, right here we can see this bearish candle because Bitcoin is planning to close this bearish candle like this, which means that it seems like the momentum of the bounce is gonna fade. And if we, for example, switch again to the 4 frame and turn on the RSI, right here we can see that Bitcoin is showing divergence for us. For example, right here at the RSI chart, the maximums are approximately equal, but if we see at the price chart, these maximums are not approximately equal because these maximums are increasing, but these maximums are approximately equal, which means that the RSI is literally says it is almost fake movement, and with a high probability we will see Bitcoin lower. And if we switch to the daily time frame again and hide all my options, we can see that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend because maximums are decreasing, minimums are decreasing. And at the same time, if we turn on the EMA, we can see that Bitcoin is still trading below almost each exponential moving averages. Because for example, right here by this moment at the 3rd of November 2025, Bitcoin broke this diagonal, this support level below, and since that moment Bitcoin has not been above the resistance level for a long period of time. And we gotta understand that in downward trend, all the bounces first of all deem as a bounces, not just reversals, guys. And right now, the momentum of it seems like the momentum of the bounce is faded in a bit. And if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, and right here we can see this diagonal support level, because for example, previously Bitcoin formed this diagonal support level by these three points. And if Bitcoin hits this support level, with a high probability Bitcoin may give in a bit bounce back due to that fact that it is anyway support level. But after that, I think we're gonna see a continuation of a correction with a breaking below this diagonal support level, and with an updating the lowest this price that's 61,300. So basically, due to that fact that Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend on the 4 frame, Bitcoin is showing divergence for us, and Bitcoin got rejected, and it seems that the momentum of the bounce is faded. I'm my target for Bitcoin is 60k. After that we will see, and we gotta realize that I think that the fall may continue from the current price, but I'm allowed for the possibility that Bitcoin may give in a bit upward movement, for example toward the resistance level at $68,000, and after that Bitcoin may give downward movement with an updating this price of $61,000. Why did I choose $68,000 as the resistance level? Because previously in the history this level was confirmed several times, and if we switch to daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin on daily time frame had resistance level, because due to that fact that it is the 100 EMA, it's blue line on my chart, which means that if Bitcoin hits this resistance level, Bitcoin gonna be in the most in more divergency, in more overbought area, and Bitcoin may hit this resistance level, and with a high probability we may see a bounce back from the resistance level. And so basically I see some entry points at the resistance level at $68,000. So if Bitcoin hits the resistance level at $68,000, the resistance area is $67,500, $68,000. From the resistance area, we might expect a bounce back toward the support level at 66. After that, a continuation of a downward move toward the support level at $63,000, $62,000. After that, we will see. Or I'm allowed for the possibility that the price may fall from the current price toward the support level at 62k. After that we will see. And I understand that the price may fall from the current price due to that fact that the price is almost already trading in a divergency and in the overbought area, and due to that fact it's more probable that Bitcoin may fall from the current price. But if Bitcoin hits the resistance level at $67,500, $68,000, we may see a correction from the resistance level toward the support level at 62, 66, 64, $62,000. That we will see. So basically, guys, this was just my take, my view on Bitcoin, not financial advice, just my thoughts. See you later, guys. Thank you, and bye bye.